Every day, hundreds of guest post and link insertion emails flood into inboxes. Some are real opportunities, some are spam, and some are urgent client requests buried between dozens of irrelevant messages. Managing all of this manually wastes time, breaks workflows, and eventually leads to lost deals. That's exactly why GuestPostCRM was created. GuestPostCRM is a smart workflow automation platform specifically built for businesses offering guest posting services, link insertions, and SEO partnerships. It connects directly with your real email inbox, whether you use Gmail or Outlook, and transforms chaotic email communication into a complete organized business workflow. The moment a new email arrives in your inbox, GuestPostCRM automatically detects it in real time. The filtration phase begins as the system intelligently filters emails to check if the message is related to your services. If it's relevant to guest posting or link insertion, it instantly appears inside the GuestPostCRM dashboard. No manual sorting, no copy-pasting, no searching through inbox chaos. Now here's where automation becomes powerful. When a new email enters the system, if it's a brand email, GuestPostCRM automatically creates a contact and account. If it's a non-brand email, the system creates a contact automatically. Everything gets organized from the very beginning without manual data entry. Once the email passes filtration, GuestPostCRM automatically sends the first professional response template to the client. This email can include website lists, website metrics, pricing details, guest post or link insertion options, and multi-deal packages. The client receives everything instantly without your team manually typing repetitive emails every day. Now the client reviews the available options and selects the website and type of insertions they want. If the client has custom preferences, they can simply reply with their requirements directly through email. Everything stays connected inside GuestPostCRM. Based on the discussion, GuestPostCRM helps create a professional offer for the client. If the client wants changes, the negotiation process continues smoothly inside the workflow. Once both sides agree, GuestPostCRM generates the final accepted offer automatically. After the final offer is accepted, you can create the deal inside GuestPostCRM. The system intelligently fetches the accepted amount, type of insertion, and website details, enabling you to create a complete professional deal template. After reviewing all the details, you can directly send a deal summary to the client. No duplicate work, no manual calculations, no missing information. Once the deal is finalized, the client confirms the backlink, URL, anchor text, and website. GuestPostCRM automatically creates the order summary directly inside the system. The system fills all the important details in the order summary, including selected websites, order type, order status, order amount, live link, backlink URL, doc URL, and invoice URL. You can either send the order summary instantly or save it for manual review. This ensures that both you and the client remain on the same page throughout the process, eliminating confusion and preventing disputes at the 11th hour. And finally, the guest post or link insertion gets published successfully. From the very first email to the completed order, invoice, and payment, everything is managed inside one centralized workflow. GuestPostCRM smoothly manages the invoice and payment process. It prepares a draft invoice for that particular client, attaching the invoice link in the order summary. You can manually review the invoice to ensure everything is correct before sending it along with the order summary. Once the payment is received, GuestPostCRM updates the status. If the payment is delayed, the system sends reminders automatically. Simple, fast, organized. GuestPostCRM is not just another CRM. It's a complete automation ecosystem built for guest posting and SEO teams. It helps teams save time, reduce manual work, organize communication, manage offers and deals, automate invoices, and close projects faster, all from one dashboard. GuestPostCRM manage emails, automate guest posting management, close deals faster.